Hi, welcome to Quick Learning Technology, and today we are going to discuss about Crontab. In all Unix-like operating system, we have the Crontab available in which we can make an entry to schedule the job. There will be a daemon which will keep running and monitoring the Crontab to execute the command at right time is called cron. Okay, so the job will be whatever the job that we are scheduling, it will be picked up by the daemon and it will get executed whenever the time condition is met. So normally in the all the server, the daemon will be crontab will be available in either var slash spool directory or else user slash bin directory. So if I check it in my system, say let's run which crontab, it is available in the user bin directory. So if you want to check what are the entries that is available in my crontab, we can use crontab -l. L is used for listing. So I have these many entries made in my crontab. And if you want to edit it, we can use crontab-e. See, it's allowed to edit. Whatever I want to make an entry, I can make an entry. I can save and come out. And now, if you want to remove the cran tab completely, we have two options. One is cran tab -r, which is for removing. Other one is cran tab -i. I is used for get the confirmation from the user before you remove it. It's you get the confirmation from the user before you remove it. So if I say cran tab -r, if I hit an enter, all the entry will be removed. Or if hit an I, it will ask a user to confirm it. Until unless user give either y or yes, the file will not be removed. Okay, so we'll discuss about what are the entry, how do we make an entry in the cron tab. So there are certain fields available in the cron tab. If you look at the image that I'm showing, there are 5 fields which will make the job to be scheduled at expected time. The first field is to mention about the minute. If you want to run the job on every 30 minutes, we can put 30. So the values are 0 to 59. The second field is mentioned about the hours. 0 hours means it's midnight and 23 means 11 p.m. And the third field is days of month. Day 1 and 10th day to 31st day. So all the days can be mentioned in third field. And fourth field is to mention about the month. January is 1 and December is 12. And fifth field is mention about days of week, Sunday to Saturday. Sunday, we will mention Sunday is 0, Monday 1, and it follows Saturday is 6. Then the last field, sixth field is the file name which we want to execute. So having this knowledge, let us view the grant app that is available in my system. See that this job, the first field is for minute, right? So it is mentioning 0. So on every 0th minute it will run. The second field mentioned, if you want to mention more than one value in a particular field, we can mention with comma separated. So this job is scheduled to run at 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. That's why it's given 5, 17, and it will run all the day in a month and all the month and all the days of week. So wherever you want to put, you are putting star, it will run for all the days or all the month or all the week. Based on the position that you are keeping, it will take care of it. Now, if you want to schedule a job to run only on 5 p.m. on Sunday, this is minute 0 and this is hours 5 p.m. in 17, and this is for days of month, first, second or 31st. So you want to run for all the day, and this is for month. You want to run on all the month, but this is where you mention the days. Only if it is a Sunday you run it. And this one is I'm giving more than one value. It has to be run on Sunday also and Friday also. We can give this. And here I just mentioned run on Sunday and Monday at 4 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the evening, 5 p.m. But here if I look at 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, I mean 3 o'clock and the hours is 3, minutes is 5. At 3, 5, and this is for month. At first of every month, 3, 5, and this is we are running on quarterly. I mean first month, fourth month, seventh month, and 10th month. This is the day. I mean, if it is first day of first month or first day of fourth month, first day of seventh month, and first day of 10th month, at 3, 5, the script will execute it. So this is how the cron tab is scheduled. The advantages of using Crontab, it is readily available in all the Unix like operating system, so we can schedule the job without any further expense. But the thing is like there is some restriction, like you can schedule the job whenever the condition is met, the job will get executed, but you cannot schedule the job based on certain dependency. Say if you go for other scheduler like AutoSys, Crontab, Tivoli Work Scheduler, and CS7 or different schedulers, we can mention like the job should run only when other job is completing, or when other job is not running, and when other job is in running. So those kind of condition we cannot keep it in the cron tab, but time conditions, days condition, month condition, and all those things we can schedule it in the cron tab. So these are the 6 fields. The first 5 field is used to schedule the job, and the sixth field is the program name which needs to be executed. Okay, that's all. It's very simple, and it should be very handy. I mean, it should be very useful to automate all the job that you want to run it. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe and wait for the upcoming videos. Thank you all for watching.